This screencast will cover the basics of invoicing in Engineer Manager. Initially, we'll create a job where the customer will be provided with a quote or a fixed price before the job has been started. First of all, let's create a new job. We'll select a customer, then select one of the customer's sites. This customer only has one, and click Add Job. We'll assign the job to an engineer, and enter the price the customer has been quoted. This price will be used when the invoice is generated once the job is complete. We'll enter some notes for the job and click Save. When creating jobs from the calendar, we also have the option to enter a quoted price. If we go to the calendar, click on a time slot, we also have now the option to enter the quoted price. Once the engineer has completed the job, we can go ahead and create an invoice. Open the job details for the completed job. Scroll down to the bottom of the details page and click the Invoice button. This will take the job into the invoice state and generate an invoice. If we click Invoices, we can now see the generated invoice. The invoice is generated in a draft state, so we can now edit it before we send it to a customer. A line has been added to the invoice, defaulted from the quoted price entered on the job. We can add an extra line. The nominal code is used when exporting to Sage. We're also free to edit the line that Engineer Manager has generated for us from the quoted price. Once we're happy with the invoice, we'll click the Approve button. We can now print the invoice . Or email a PDF of the invoice to the customer. Once the customer has paid the invoice, we can track the fact in Engineer Manager by clicking the Mark Paid button.